Hi, this is Bill Patsky with Proceed Software, and today we're going to be uh, reviewing seed mixing or blending, uh, lot information, and actually creating various reports associated with that process. So we're going to begin today by going into the item number. So we happen to have a grass mix here called Crazy Grass Mix. It's a 5 pound bag, and we're going to make some more of these items here. This blend. But before we get started, well, let's take a look at the item itself, and notice that the item is lot controlled. And notice that if we go to the bill of materials, we'll actually see the materials or the components to this mix. So each item here has 1.25 pounds to make the 5 pound mix. If I expand this a little bit, you'll be able to see that you can actually drill down to the vendor who supplies the seeds, and you can also choose from that vendor. You can choose different varieties that vendor might supply you as well. And then to make matters even a little bit more confusing than that, we have non-lot controlled items such as the bag tag. Um, and so this is the elements of building the seed mix that in Proceed. So you can have in the quantity, uh, units of measure, standard costs, and then extended based on what that quantity actually is, and it'll come up with the materials cost for you. So on the bill of materials, we have these components. So we're going to go ahead and look at we're going to look at the lot information for 45100. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out and navigate over here and look up 45100. And you'll see that there's 3 different lots for this particular item. And so we have 962.5 pounds here, 993 pounds, and 500 pounds here. And we're going to go ahead and open one of those lots up, and you'll see that the lot information can contain, the vendor item, um, and other information that you want to display on that. Origin is there, pure live seed is there, and all of that information tracks with the manufacturing process or the blending process. So we've explored the item that we're making. We've explored the lot information of one of the components that we're making, and now we're going to go over to the actual blending piece of this on the work orders. Okay, we've gone over to manufacturing in the software, and now you can see that we're looking at the Crazy Grass Mix 5 pound bag. And what we've done is we've created a new work order and in the system, and here we have a list of information to kind of go through. So in this work order, we're looking at the same bill of materials. We're looking at producing a quantity of 10 bags. So what we've done is we put in 10, and the system automatically takes the values from the bill of materials and creates the quantity that you need to make 10 of those 5 pound bags. So then notice that that on each item, so there's a corresponding grid that goes down here, and notice that for each item we're querying the lot information in our system. So the information that's actually coming over, we have cost, we have germination, we have purity, we have expiration date. So you can make decisions based on those values coming back from that lot. So we've chosen lot number 1025. We've got 962.5 pounds on hand, and we're gonna consume 2.5 of that. So then we're gonna go to the next item. This particular this ryegrass only has 48.5 pounds on hand, and we're going to consume 2.5 of those. Likewise, we're going down the whole list. So then the last thing we're going to do is we have non-lot controlled items like this bag tag, and it has a little bit different. That doesn't show the lot numbers, but it does show you where each one of those are and the cost of each one as you go through this. Now notice that I don't have this print function. That's deselected because when we do the reports here, we're not going to want those to show up in labels and so on and so forth. So okay, so we've got our work order all set. We've got our lot number assigned to our new work order. We've got the customer, and so we're going to go ahead and show you the reports now that come out of the system as we're building this. So we're going to go ahead, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and create the work order pick list with those assigned lots. So this goes to your warehouse, and you'll see that it tells your warehouse that you should be picking for this particular ryegrass, you should be picking lot 1025. It's in the Madison warehouse, and it's in the bulk bin. It's bin number 45100, and you should be selecting 2.5. Same thing with this item. You should be selecting lot 1033. It's in the Madison warehouse. This is stored in a rack, and then here's the bin number, and you should be selecting that. So this gets sent out to your warehouse. Then the following thing, the next thing is we have these labels, and we're going to go ahead and choose this label, and just go ahead and print that. And we'll drill in on this label a little bit. This is actually I'll show you this in just a bit, but this is actually a label that comes out on a continuous feed printer from TSC. So here the customer has ordered 10 Fruit Seeds has ordered 10 5-pound bags. And then you can see that it produces, it relegates all the mixtures and lot numbers and varieties up on the screen. And then we can go ahead and print that bag tag. And I'm going to go ahead and print that right now. So here you can see the bag tags coming out of the printer. I printed 4 of them just to do this demonstration. The bag tags stack up nicely, and you can then take those bag tags and get them ready to apply to the bags. Here we're pulling the sticker off the backing, applying it to the bag, and everything you need for that seed product is automatically added to the sticker. There's one other report that we should go through, and that's the seed mixing report, and I'll go ahead and run that. And this is a report that on each, so you have the ability to print the stickers for each product, and then you also have the seed mixing report, which you can attach with your documentation for your customer with their invoice out of the system, and it shows all of this data in a little bit more 8.5 by 11 report, and this all comes stock, with the system. So let's say that the reports that are coming out of the system need to be modified a little bit. You can actually go up to setup, and then to the report designer, go back over to manufacturing, look at that mixing report, and you can actually customize that report using a pretty advanced reporting engine. It takes a couple seconds here for it to fire up, but I'll show you that shortly. So here's the report. You can add different logos, you can add barcodes to it, you can move fields around, you can change queries. Over here is a listing of all the different queries and data, so you can actually go in and take an item and select a field and drag it over to this report. So you have full control over these reports as well. So we're going to back out of the report engine, and the next on our list is going to be receipting work orders. So once you create the work order, you publish the documents, meaning the label, the report, there's a few other, the pick list, and now they've finished, the warehouse may have finished blending and making your seed product. You now go in and create and finish this with a work order receipt. So we're going to go ahead and click on new receipt. We're going to go up here and choose on 1046. To kind of go through this with you, here's the item we're creating that we started with. Here's a location that inventory is going to be deposited through. This blend or mix is going to have lot number 1038 that we originally assigned, and you'll notice that it copied over all of these items from the other screen. So if we go on down here, you can verify everything, and then we're just going to go ahead and save this invoice receipt, and we're going to go ahead and post the inventory, the work order receipt. And what is nice here is if we go back to the inventory and we look up the crazy grass mix again, you can see that now the quantity on 1038 has increased. If we go and we go back to the original item and open that up and look at the bill of materials, so the first bill of materials was 45,100. So let's query that. So we query 4500, find that item, and you'll notice that on the item history, the system automatically draws the usage of the seed product down by the pounds in the system. So with regards to this product, so the products that we're making go up in inventory. The products that are consumed in the item history actually go down, and they're reflected over here based on the lot number. So if you're interested more, please visit our website at www.proceedsoftware.com. Visit the seed industry page, scroll down, and you'll be able to see features. You'll be able to see the list of the integrations we have with Proceed. You'll be able to see some of the customer case studies that we've published. You'll be able to see the benefits for your company, and you'll be able to see videos of demonstrated functionality within the software. All you need to do is contact us, and we'll be happy to take you through the next steps of helping your seed or agricultural company grow to the next level. Thank you, and have a great day.